This is a normal splint. Just a glass bit around there, just to stop anything from slipping out backwards. And we've got the coffee whitener. Now, if I get the coffee whitener and put it onto a spoon, then the only particles that are actually going to be available to react with, in this case, the heat, is going to be the layer that is on the top of the spoon. All the rest of them are buried underneath in the mound. So if I get a spoonful of coffee whitener and hold it up against there, it doesn't react, and it even gets to the point where it's just going to put the flame out because it just dampens it down completely. So that's why it's particularly impressive.
Remind me not to have coffee.
If I put another spoon in, I'll just show you the difference with the particles as they're when they're smaller, and then we'll use both of them.
A photo.
So if you get a small handful of it now, and throw it down.
Mr. McGarry did that when we went to some random site.
Yeah, so you can see that you get a bit more of a reaction, but again,
It puts
a lot
out.
of that you can just put it out. So
Put
try
it on the
it.
Bunsen burner.
Burner.
You know on Harry Potter flute and stuff. Yeah.
Tell me when you're back to.
Okay.
I've got a lot of memories I can keep. Oh, the whole table.
Ready?
I don't like the fact there's a fire extinguisher right next to you.
Right next to the window.
I really have as well.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so it works a little bit better.
There's more for us. Puny.
I need to do the whole package. No, I'm going to do 5 times, I'm afraid. Ready?
Ooh.
Okay, so it's much more dramatic, much better reaction.
When I was on holiday in France, it was better than that.
And
Massive.
then I'm going to have to stop, otherwise I will set the smoke alarms off.
Cool.
Ready?
Ooh.
Great idea to get there at school.
Oh no, fire!
Okay, so obviously, much